morning, dear students. Now, today we are going to see chapter number 8, Economy and Occupations. Now, remaining part of the lesson. In previous part, we see that economic activities in Brazil and India. So, first of all, we see that agriculture, mining, fishing, agriculture in India. Now, industries in India. So, industries in India. So, look at figure 8.4. Observe the logos given. So, identify the industries with which they are associated with and which raw material is used for these industries. Classify them accordingly, and from which part of India do they get these raw materials, and discuss and write. Okay. Now just look at figure 8.4 and observe the logos given. So distribution of industries in India is highly uneven. This is so partly on account of uneven distribution of the necessary raw materials and power resources, and partly due to the concentration of enterprises, financial resources and other necessary conditions in large towns. जो हमारे भारत में जो इंडस्ट्री का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, सो दैट इज हाई. So this is so partly an account of uneven distribution to necessary raw materials and power resources, and partly due to the concentration of enterprises also, financial resources and other necessary conditions in the large towns. So Jharkhand, Orissa, adjoining Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, parts of Rajasthan, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu account for most of the reserves for metallic minerals. ये जो राज्य दिए गए हैं, झारखंड है, उड़ीसा है, छत्तीसगढ़ है, मध्य प्रदेश और कुछ पार्ट है राजस्थान का, कर्नाटक, तमिलनाडु, ये मोस्ट ऑफ द रिजर्व है मेटेलिक मिनरल्स के लिए. सो दिस एरिया therefore particularly the northeastern part of the peninsula has a very high concentration of heavy metallurgical industries, with almost all the steel centers situated here. और जो ये एरिया है नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट का जो पेनिसुला के, सो ये यहाँ पे जो हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द हेवी metallurgical industries, which almost the steel centers situated are here. So availability of large quantities of coal and refractory materials along with a cheap power from the Damodar Valley Corporation and a number of thermal power projects has added to the advantages. Rajasthan has copper, lead, zinc. Karnataka has steel, manganese and aluminium, and Tamil Nadu has aluminium metal industries. अब जो इस प्रकार के जो दामोदरी वैली में, दामोदरी वैली जो है वहाँ पे जो कॉरपोरेशन जो सेक्टर्स है वहाँ पे थर्मल पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स एडेड हुआ है, उसका जो एडवांटेजेस है. राजस्थान में कॉपर, लीड, जिंक, कर्नाटक में स्टील, मैग्नीज एंड एल्यूमिनियम, तमिलनाडु में aluminium metal industries. So agro-based industries including cotton, jute and sugar are heavily concentrated in the raw material producing areas. और हमें यह देखने मिलता है जो एग्रो-बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज है उसमें इंक्लूडिंग है कॉटन, जूट, शुगर, heavily concentrated in the raw material producing that areas. So the forecast-based industries including paper, plywood, matches, resins, lac are increasingly finding concentration in the forest areas of various states. The coastal belt of Kerala has a heavy concentration of coir, copra and fish canning industries. So Koili, Digboi, Numati and Bonijan refinery are situated close to the petroleum producing areas, and like that Mathura and Baruni refineries in the interior away from the coast and oil producing areas. The distribution of cement industry is also highly conditioned by availability of raw materials. और जो कोयली है, दिग्बोई है, नुगमती है, या रिफाइनरी जो situated है close to that petroleum producing areas. Madhura and Borani refineries in the interior away from the coast and oil producing areas also there. So the distribution of the cement industry is also highly conditioned by the availability of raw material. Okay, so in this way we see that the distribution of the industry in India. Okay.